Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up BraveTalk or WebRTC settings for privacy, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Brave browser from the official website. Install the Brave browser by following the on-screen instructions for your operating system. Once installed, open the Brave browser. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Look for WebRTC IP Handling Policy under the Advanced Settings. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Select the option Disable Non-Proxied UDP to enhance your privacy. Next, ensure that the BraveTalk feature is enabled. Return to the main settings page and find extensions. Make sure that any desired communication extensions are installed and enabled. Open a new tab and go to the BraveTalk website. Sign in or create a new account if prompted. Once logged in, review the privacy settings provided in your account. Adjust the settings to protect your data, such as disabling camera or microphone access when if using WebRTC for other applications, ensure those applications also respect your privacy settings. Consider using a VPN for an additional layer of security while using BraveTalk. Regularly check for updates in both the Brave browser and any installed extensions. Test your WebRTC settings by visiting a site that checks for WebRTC leaks. Confirm that your real IP address is not exposed during the test. Make adjustments to your settings if any leaks are detected. Stay informed about updates from Brave and WebRTC to continue maintaining your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.